Hi guys, welcome back. Let's solve this physics question together. A uniform half-meter rule is freely pivoted at the 15 cm mark and it balances horizontally when a body of mass 40 grams is hung from the 2 cm mark. First, draw the diagram. Secondly, calculate the mass of the object placed 10 cm to the end of the rule. The first question says draw the diagram, and you can only draw the diagram when you understand the question very well. It says half meter rule and not a uniform meter rule. We know that 1 meter is 100 cm, therefore half meter is going to be what? 50 cm. Let's make a sketch of a half meter rule of length 50 cm. Make sure you follow along. 50 cm. Then the next thing it says that it's pivoted at the 15 cm mark. Put your pivot at a mark from the beginning of the rule to that mark is 15 cm. Label it. Then the next thing is that it says it balances horizontally when a body of mass 40 grams is hung from the 2 cm mark. You are going to make a mark at a point and call that mark the 2 cm mark from the beginning. And it says that the mass of 40 grams is hanging there. This is the diagram actually. Then the next one says calculate the mass of the object placed 10 cm to the end of it. So you are going to go to the end of the rule, make a mark and label it 10 cm. Should be towards the end. Yes. And it told us that a mass is hanging there. This mass, we don't know the value. Let's call it x. Now we've fully represented what is given in the question in the diagram. So how do we calculate x? Remember the principle of moment. Anti-clockwise moment is equal to clockwise moment. The distances we need to calculate is from here to here and from here to here. We don't know them yet, but we are going to derive them right now. Since we know from here to here is 2 cm and from here to here is 15 cm, therefore this place will be 15 minus 2, which is 13. So this distance is going to be 13 cm. To calculate the other distance, from here to here is 10 cm, from here to here is 15 cm. So we'll add 10 to 15 and remove whatever we get from 50 cm. 10 plus 15 equals 25. And 50 minus 25 is 25. So this distance from here to here is what? 25 cm. At this point, we've gotten everything we need. So let's calculate. 40 times 13 is equal to x times 25. 40 times 13 is what? 25x. Therefore, x is 40 times 13 all over 25. 5 divide 25, 5. Divide 40, 8. Equal to 8 times 13 is what? 104 over 5. 5 divide itself 1, divide 10, we have to divide 4, 0 point, divide 48. So the answer is going to be 20.8 grams. Always remember to put your units. Thank you for watching. See you next time.